How to turn on enter is sent on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on enter is sent on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in top. Click on it and then click settings, and here you will find this one this one here, chats, and here you will find it enter is sent. And here all you need to do is just click this one click on it, and as you see enter is sent have been turned on. Now just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.